Hi everyone, my name is Babajide and I will be your instructor on today's class. Today, we'll be looking at responsive web design. What is responsive web design? Responsive web design makes your web page look good on all devices. And responsive web design uses only HTML and CSS. Responsive web design is not a program or a JavaScript. Let's go a bit deeper. And let's look at how to design for the best experience for all users. Don't forget, everyone wants to have a best and wonderful experience when they visit a particular website. And how do we achieve this? By responsive web design. Web pages can be viewed using many different devices such as desktops, tablets, and phones. Your web page should look good and should be easy to use regardless of the device. Web pages should not leave out information to fit smaller devices, but rather adapt its content to fit any device. Let's look at the historic website layout. In the early days of web design, pages were built to target a particular screen size. If the user had a larger or smaller screen than the design expected, results ranged from unwanted scroll bars to overly long line lengths and poor use of space. Let's go a bit deeper. Interesting? Yeah. Historic web design layout continues. As more diverse screen sizes became available, the concept of responsive web design appeared. This is known as RWD. And this is a set of practices that allows web pages to alter their layout and appearance to suit different screen widths, resolutions, and so on. It is an idea that changed the way we design for a multi-device web, and in this lecture, we will help you understand the main techniques you need to know to master it. At one point in history, you had two options when designing a website. You could create a liquid site, which would stretch to fill the browser window, or a fixed width size, which would be a fixed size in pixel. These two approaches tended to result in a website that looked its best on the screen of the person designing the site. Let's take a look at this. The liquid site resulted in a squashed design on smaller screen as seen below and unreadably long line lengths on larger ones. Not so good. The fixed width site risked a horizontal scroll bar on screen smaller than the site's width as seen, and lots of white space at the edges of the design on larger screen. Not so good as well. As the mobile web started to become a reality with the first feature phones, companies who wished to embrace mobile would generally create a special mobile version of their site with a different URL, often something like m.example.com or example.mobi. This meant that two separate versions of the site had to be developed and kept up to date. In addition, these mobile sites often offered a very cut down experience. As mobile devices became more powerful and able to display full websites, this was frustrating to mobile websites who found themselves trapped in the site's mobile version and unable to access information they knew was on the full-featured desktop version of the site. And that will be the end of today's course. See you in the next video.